How to deposit IDR or crypto on Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the wallet option in the bottom section and tap on it. From this page, select the deposit option. Next, choose the currency you want to deposit, either IDR, Indonesian Rupiah or a cryptocurrency. Here I will go with USDT. Tap on the deposit option and select the coin network from the available options. You will see your deposit wallet address for that specific crypto. Copy the address carefully or scan the QR code, then send the funds from your external wallet to this address. Always double check the address to avoid losing your funds. After completing the transaction, wait for the confirmation. Crypto deposits may take several network confirmation depending on the blockchain. Once confirmed, your deposited funds will appear in your Indodax account balance and you can start trading, buying or selling cryptocurrencies immediately. Now you know how to deposit IDR or crypto on Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.